Hello there, good evening, and thank you for joining us on the news desk of NTA Channel 5, Abuja at 7. I am Tessie Umeri with the details. We the Youth, a non governmental organization, is marking the International Day of Drug Abuse by intensifying awareness campaign on the dangers of substance abuse. The group is spearheading a high level engagement aimed at tackling the urgent challenge of drug addiction among Nigerian youths. Isaac Jibo reports that the event themed Breaking the Chain, Prevention, Treatment and Recovery for All emphasizes the need for collaborative action while advocacy centered on evidence-based strategies to combat the growing menace of drug abuse.
With drug abuse becoming a growing concern among Nigerian youths, the event provided a platform for open dialogue, education, and community mobilization. Young people, health professionals, and civil society groups came together to share insight on the root causes of substance abuse and the barriers of effective treatment and recovery. The chairman of We the Youths, Azunna Chukwu, emphasized the campaign's role in educating youths, preventing drug abuse, and promoting a healthier, responsible, and drug-free generation.
We've actually engaged with lots of youth out there that are engaged in illicit I mean drug abuse, and we've rehabilitated quite a lot of them. But the interesting thing really is that we've written to the authorities severally to try to work with them, but I'm sure that this time around they will know that we are the organization to work with, because we have young people helping other young people and to get off the street.
The initiative goes beyond awareness. It's about shaping a culture of responsibility and resilience among the youths.
The theme of this year's event is we would know how to prevent. We should know how to prevent it, to enlighten them, to tell them the bad side of all these things. You understand? And not to judge them, but to also tell them their problem is our problem. We should come together and discuss a way towards abstinence from all these things.
The campaign reinforced needs for multi-sector collaboration, accessible rehabilitation services, and policies that prioritize youth mental health and well-being.
You might see people live their life day to day, but they might actually be struggling with this issue of drug abuse. And the fact that we have days like this that put that issue in the spotlight, I think, is very important, because it communicates to those type of people that they're not alone, and other people are also struggling with these type of vices. And most importantly, there is help available for this particular challenge.
There was a renewed call for collective action, urging stakeholders to invest in youth empowerment, strengthen support systems,